Hi, I'm John, and this is my partner Dave. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Each week at 9/8 Central, we'll take you through how to solve common household issues. Today, we'll be building this inexpensive box fan filter. As you can see, sometimes Dave's cooking can be a little alarming, but we're not going to stand around blowing smoke. We're going to get to it. First, we will take measurements of our box fan. We're using the Lasco B20201 box fan and a Honeywell 20x20x1 filter. For the enclosure, we'll use 5.5 inch by 3/4 inch oak stock. Cut the top and bottom pieces to 22.25 inches. Now that we have our measurements, we'll cut our 4 boards to length. When using power tools, always remember your safety equipment. We'll also rip the top to 4.5 inches wide. Next, we'll use a drill press and hole saw to drill a hole in the top board for the fan controls. Cut the 2 side pieces of the enclosure to 20.75 inches. Since our filter is smaller than our fan, we'll cut some molding strips to make up the difference. For the inside filter trim, we'll use 1 inch by 7/16 inch stop molding. Cut the bottom piece to 20.75 and both side pieces to 20.5/16. For the frame, we'll use 1.5 by 3/4 inch oak stock. Cut the 5 frame pieces with a 45-degree miter on both sides with a total length of 22.25 inches. Cut 2 frame pieces with a 45-degree miter on only one side with a total length of 20 inches. Cut 1 frame piece to 22.25 inches with no miter. Now that we have all of our pieces cut, it's time to assemble our box fan filter. You can assemble yours using nails, screws, or glue. This is how we chose to assemble ours to give it a little more strength. Now that our project is completely assembled, we'll test it by plugging in the fan, turning it on, and sliding our filter into place. Or, if you're running low on time and money, you can use a small amount of tape to affix the filter directly to the fan. As you can see, that box fan filter made quick work of all that smoke. Thanks for joining us. See you next time on Get To It!